Flat roof replacement can totally change the vibe and value of your place, so you gotta know the best options before you even think about picking a material or calling a contractor. Alright, so when you're looking at flat roof replacement, first up, think about the price. Not just up front, but what it'll cost you down the line with repairs and energy bills. Modified bitumen roofs are pretty popular because they handle weather changes well and don't break the bank. Built-up roofs, or BUR, are like layering asphalt and tar, which makes them super tough but kinda heavy, so your building needs to handle that. EPDM rubber roofs are a solid choice if you want something flexible and easy to install, plus they last long and resist water great. Single-ply options like PVC or TPO are cool because they're lightweight and energy efficient, reflecting sunlight to keep things cooler inside. Spray polyurethane foam is a bit different. It gives you insulation and waterproofing in one go, but needs a pro for the job. Remember to check how easy it is to maintain your new roof, because nobody wants to be fixing leaks every year. And don't forget to ask about energy ratings. Some materials help cut your bills by keeping heat out or in, depending on your climate. One of the biggest screw-ups with flat roof replacement is picking a material without thinking about your local weather, which can lead to leaks or damage fast. Fix that by researching what works best in your area. Another common issue is not budgeting for professional installation because flat roofs need precise work. Trying to DIY or hire just anyone can end up costing way more in repairs. Lastly, ignoring maintenance needs can tank your roof's lifespan. Make sure to schedule regular checkups and cleanups so small problems don't blow up into big headaches. BigHomeProjects.com is like your go-to spot for hooking up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't ghost you halfway through the job. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a sweet way to get more clients looking for flat roof replacement and other home projects without wasting time chasing leads.